Welcome to Easy Learning zed-Mathematics. In this video, I'm going to look at multiplication of square matrices, that is 3 by 3, matrices that have the order of 3 by 3. So I'm going to work out one example to demonstrate how you can multiply that. It's not really different from what we did in the previous video where we were multiplying a square, where we multiply square matrices that was 2 by 2. So the same ideas are the ones we apply here. Okay, so what we're going to do is, first I'm going to rewrite these matrices without their names, like the way they have asked us to find AD. So I'm going to, like I have already started, I've started by writing the matrix which is A, then I'm going to finish up with the matrix D. Okay, so you need just to pay attention to the order the question is phrased, because if you swap the order, that means the answer you get may be wrong. So you make sure that you pay attention to the order of the question. Like here the question is AD, so that's what you do. Okay, so what we're going to do is, now I'm going to finish up that matrix. Now I've written these two matrices, AD, just like that. Then next I'm going to start multiplying the row multiplied by the column in the second matrix. Each row from the first matrix will be multiplied by the columns in the second matrix, or the columns in the second matrix. Like, what I mean is, I'm going to open bracket there, then I'm going to multiply that row by all the three columns in the second matrix. So I'm going to start with the first column. So I'm going to say 1 by -2, then 2 by 3, then 3 by 2. Okay, then I'm going to go into the next. I'll multiply. I'm going to multiply the first row by the second column. So I'll still remain in the first row in the first matrix, but I'll move in the second column in the second matrix, which is going to be 1 by 1 plus 2 by -4 plus 3 by 4. Then this time I'm going to move into column 3 of the second matrix. Okay, like that. Then it's going to be 1 multiplied by 0, 2 multiplied by 6, then 3 multiplied by -3. Then I'm going to go into the second row in the first matrix, then multiply by all the elements in the columns, just like we did with the first row. So I'm going to multiply, let me remove that first, 4. I'm going to multiply 4 by -2, then 0 by 3, then 8 by 2. Okay, 8 by 2. Then I'm going to go into the second column, where I'm going to multiply 4 by 1, then 0 by -4, then 8 by 4. Then I'm going to go into the third column, where I'm going to multiply 4 by 0, then 0 by 6, then 8 by -3. Okay, then next I'm going to go into the third row in the first column, multiplied by all the third row in the first matrix, multiplied by all the columns in the second matrix, which is going to be 3 by -2, 2 by 3, 1 by 2. Then I'll go into the second column, where I'm going to multiply 3 by 1, then 2 by -4, then 1 by 4. Okay, then I'm going to go into the third column. I'm going to go into the third column, where I'm going to multiply 3 by 0, then 2 by 6, then 1 by negative 3. Okay, then I'm going to close bracket, the whole bigger matrix enclosed in that bigger bracket. Then I'm going to find the product of these expressions in brackets. So 1 by negative 2 will give us negative 2. Okay, then the ones where I'm multiplying is where I've underlined in green. 2 by 3 will give us 6 plus 6. Then 3 by 2 will give us plus 6 as well. Then I'm going to go into that area where I've underlined. So 1 by 1 will give us 1 plus 2 by negative 4 will give us negative 8 plus 3 by 4 will give us 12. Then I'm going to go into that area. 1 by 0 will give us 0. 2 by 6 will give us 12. 3 by negative 3 will give us negative 9. Then I'm going to go down there. Then I'm going to say 4 by negative 2 will give us negative 8. 0 by 3 will give us 0. 8 by 2 will give us 16. Then I'm going to go into another section. So that is 4 by 1 will give us 4. 0 by 4 by negative 4 will give us 0. 8 by 4 will give us 32. Then 4 by 0 will give us 0. 6 by 0, or 0 by 6 will give us 0. 8 by negative 3 will give us negative 24. Then I'm going to go down in the last row. Okay. 3 by negative 2 will give us negative 6. 2 by 3 will give us 6. 1 by 2 will give us 2. So as you can see, I'm not leaving out the plus sign because I have not yet added the product. So I'm just dealing with the multiplication, and where there is plus sign, I'm just writing the same plus sign which is there. Now we come to in the middle here, the third row in the middle. So we will have 3 by 1 will give us 3. Then 2 by negative 4. So I'm multiplying that where I've underlined. 2 by negative 4 will give us negative 8. Then plus 1 by 4 will give us 4. Okay. Then I'm going to go to the last part in the second row. So which is 3 by 0 will give us 0. 2 by 6 will give us 12. 3 by negative 1 by negative 3 will give us negative 3, which we are going to now to close the matrix. Now let's find the sum of these products we have gotten. Okay, so I'm going to start just like the way I was doing when I was multiplying. That's what I'll do when even I'm adding. I'll start from the top left going to the right. So I'm going to open bracket down here. Then I'll say negative 2 plus 6 will give us 4. 4 plus 6 will give us 10. So there, the answer is 10. Then come on the middle here. 1 plus negative 8 will give us negative 7. Negative 7 plus 12 will give us positive 5. Then 0 plus 12 will give us 12. 12 plus negative 9 will give us positive 3. Okay, then we come down in the second row. Now we'll start 8 plus 0. Negative 8 plus 0 will give us negative 8. Negative 8 plus 16 will give us 8, positive 8. So there we're going to write 8. Then 4 plus 0 will give us 4, plus 32 will give us 36. Then 0 plus 0, that is 0, plus negative 24 will be negative 24. Then we come down. Okay, negative 6 plus negative 6 plus 6 will give us 0, plus 2 will give us 2. Okay, then we come to 3 plus negative 8 will give us 5. Then 5 plus negative 5. 3 plus negative 8 will give us negative 5. Negative 5 plus 4 will give us negative 1. Then we come to the far end, that is the last column. Okay, so 0 plus 12, that is 12. 12 plus Negative 3 will give us 9. Okay, so that is the final matrix we have gotten. So multiplying matrix A by matrix D will give us that matrix which has elements which are 10, 5, 3, down 8, 36, negative 24, then down again 2, negative 1, 9. Okay, so that is the final answer. So basically this is how you multiply matrices, square matrices which are 3 by 3. It's not much different from what we are doing yesterday. What is just the difference is the number of rows and columns have just been increased, but basically what we apply is just the same. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, we invite you to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also invite your friends to subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you found this video helpful, remember to like it and also share with your friends. Thank you so much for watching. Enjoy watching videos from Easy Learning zed-Mathematics, where the future is bright. Thank you so much. God bless you.